Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make French macarons. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fine almond flour, powdered sugar, and granulated sugar. For the meringue, use aged egg whites, which helps create stable peaks. Don't forget your preferred food coloring and flavorings to customize your macarons. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get baking. Now let's create the perfect meringue, which is crucial for macaron success. Begin by whipping your aged egg whites until they reach soft peaks. Slowly and gradually, add the granulated sugar, continuing to whip until the mixture forms stiff, glossy peaks. This stage is vital for the macaron structure and feet. Be careful not to overmix, as this can deflate the meringue and affect the final texture. Aim for a firm, shiny consistency. Next up is macaronage, the art of folding the dry ingredients into your meringue. Gently incorporate the almond flour and powdered sugar until the batter flows like slow-moving lava. This ribbon stage is key. It should fall off your spatula in a continuous ribbon. Transfer the batter to a piping bag and pipe uniform circles onto parchment paper or a silicone mat. Leave about 1 inch between each macaron for proper air circulation. After piping, let your macarons rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a skin forms, preventing cracking during baking. Bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating the tray halfway through for even cooking. Once cooled, fill them with your favorite ganache or buttercream. For more delicious recipes and captivating stories, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.